This new method that I'm going to represent to you today, you probably have never came across before because we are going to use the affiliate program strategy, which is one of the best ways, but we are not going to use it as we normally do. In fact, we are going to promote it and get traffic source in a very unique way like you have never seen before. So guys, what you will have to do is watch this video and learn all of the tricks and everything that you will need to know. So in the end, you will be capable of doing this by yourself. And I'm referring to getting a lot of money in the best way possible and in the smartest way possible. You're going to reach out to earn thousands of dollars per month until you finish up watching this video in the end. But before I do that and explain everything that you will need to know, I would like to ask you first to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. And guys, as you know, we always post different methods of earning money online, so you can check them out by yourself. Now, before I jump into more details, I will have to clarify something. We are not going to deal with Digistore 24, neither with any affiliate program. Today we are going to do another way of earning money with affiliate program, and that would be by promoting. But the way we are going to grab the traffic source, it will be in a very unique way like you have never seen before. So please don't skip any part of this video because it will be much harder for you to understand it, how it will work out. So the first website that we are going to represent is Clinture.com. Let me give you some explanation what is Clinture and how we are going to use it to earn money. Clinture is a social media management platform, so a social media tool that will help out a lot of people to grow their social media and also manage for them. Because as you know, businesses, agencies, enterprises, and many other people don't really have time to manage their social media if they have one. So they usually will hire someone to do it for them. And Clincher is one of the best out there because it offers some great tools, guaranteed to boost your social media, and also agile team, cutting edge technology, and also 24/7 support, continuously adding value so you can better execute your strategy. And also you can check out some other tools in details like publishing and scheduling tools, visual calendar and scheduler, also how to post, social media campaigns, social inbox and engagement, Instagram link in bio, reputation management, and many more. As you checked out by yourself, this is a great way to manage your social media and to grow it and make it bigger. But you're probably asking yourself why we are representing Clinture, because you probably aren't interested on investing your money on this kind of website. And in fact, we are not going to be investing any money from our pocket. This is a free strategy and it will be like this till we reach the end of this video. Now, guys, I represented to you with details about Clinture because you are going to promote it and you need to know all of the features and all of the great things that it offers as on a website. So go over to company and then click on the partner affiliate program, because in this way you are going to check out all of the details of this affiliate program. You are going to check out one of the best reasons you need to be part of this affiliate program is the fact that you are going to get profits from $50 up to $100 per paid Clinture subscription when the client uses your link to subscribe. Now guys, you can scroll down a little bit and you are going to check out how much you are going to get paid for each subscription, because it depends what kind of package they are going to get. For basic accounts, they are going to get $50, for premier account $75, and for agency accounts you're going to get $100. So of course it depends what kind of accounts you're going to deal with and what type of package they are going to choose. But after all, starting with $50, it's a really big number, because we have seen together other websites that we have promoted and they usually would give you 20 or 30% of the subscription of the client, which wasn't a lot. Well, in this case, you're going to earn your own money, so it doesn't really depend on how much the person is going to invest money on this website. You are going to get your main income, which will be $50 or $100 or $75 $75. So it will be an exact amount of money which doesn't depend on percentage of the people that are going to subscribe here. Now, guys, I'm going to show you where you are going to find the traffic source that you will need, which will be in a very unique way, as I told you before. But first, you will need to know how to apply to eClincher. And that will be just by clicking on apply here, and you can put the email, first name, last name at the website box. You can't leave it empty, or you can put the website in which I'm going to represent to you that will make us get the traffic source, because this is what they are requiring, that they are not requiring you to have your own website. And guys, at the company name, you can leave it empty, because if you aren't part of any company, then you should not feel obligated to put any name there. At the country part, you can select the country, and as you can see, it is worldwide available, so for sure your country should be on this list. Then you can put the address, phone number, password. You can put the URL of one of your social media. It can be Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn. Agree to affiliate terms and conditions, prove that you are now a robot, and then click on that sign up button. Now, after doing that and after applying, you will have to wait some days till they approve your application, and that would be really fast and it won't take a lot of time, and for sure you are going to be accepted. Now we have come to that part of the video in which I will have to explain to you the unique way that I have mentioned throughout this video that you are going to grab the traffic source, and that would be with the help of this website over here called Skillshare.com. So Skillshare is a website that offers online courses for animation, design, illustration, lifestyle, photo and film businesses, and writing. And if you're wondering how you're going to get people to go to a Clinture, then we are going to open an online course in which you are going to explain to people all of the tools about social media management. And if you're thinking how this will work out, in fact it will, because at the end of the course you are going to tell people about eClincher to go over there and use it because it's really good. And if you still have doubts, then let's see this person over here who is using Skillshare to give online courses, and as you can see, he has gained a lot of subscribers on YouTuber, and his videos has millions of views. Now guys, the only problem that you might face is the fact that you don't have any knowledge about social media platforms and how to manage them. So in fact, that won't be either a problem, because you are going to go over to this academy over here in which you are going to take a free online course about social media management. And here you are going to learn all of the tools that you will need. And then after learning them, you are going to open an online course on Skillshare, and you are going to tell people about eClincher. Now guys, you are going to earn money not only from eClincher and the subscribers, but also from Skillshare by the online courses that you are going to do and get paid. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also have a look at our other videos as well.